Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You start by opening Windows Security now. Press Start, type Windows Security and hit Enter. This gets you into the control surface immediately. Once done, make sure you are on the Home tab so you can check Device Health and Protection Status. That tells you if Defender is active. If the app is missing, navigate Settings apps to reinstall or enable Windows Security, because without the app you can't run scans or change protection settings. Now configure protection settings to make Defender effective. Open Virus and Threat Protection and choose a quick or full scan depending on urgency. Quick for recent files, full for thoroughness. Once you pick a scan, click Manage Settings to toggle real-time protection and cloud-delivered protection. These keep threats blocked in real time and use Microsoft signals for faster detection. Also enable automatic sample submission and tamper protection, so settings stay locked, and suspicious files are analyzed automatically for better future protection. Finish by running the right scan and resolving findings. Run a full scan for comprehensive checks, or choose an offline scan if active malware resists. These detect threats standard scans miss. Once complete, review protection history to see quarantined items and decide restore or remove. Make sure you understand file origins before restoring. If Defender misbehaves, reset the security app or run SFC and DIS.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.